Hi folks, Brian Dacey, General Sales Manager for Worldwide RV. Right there you see one of our units. It's a big toy hauler fifth wheel. They're taking that to go visit national parks across the country. Going right behind it is a smaller travel trailer. They plan on going up north to go camping this spring. Come on down, take advantage of the lowest blowout pricing of the year. In fact, it's the lowest pricing in the country, just like these folks did. It's on anything that's in stock right now. So come on down, don't miss out, because when these units that are in stock are gone, so are the prices. Come on, I'm gonna give you some examples. This 2023 Jayco J-Flight 274 BH was $45,283, now $27,541. Real popular floor plan, couch across from the dinette. This is a J-knife couch, so full flat as well. But great camper to take off-road, up north, plenty of room for you and the kiddos. This beautiful model year blowout, Pinnacle 36 SSWS. She's a 2022 brand new, 2-year warranty, 3-year structural. Was $156,938, now $110,895. What do you mean no? You don't like that price? Show me a lower. Okay, fine. $95,741. How's that? No? You still want me to go lower than that? Okay, fine. Final clearance price on this absolutely popular floor plan. One of the most popular floor plans, bestseller for the Pinnacle. $85,741. Like that? I thought you would. To not leave out the pre-owned, we have this 2017 Fleetwood Flare with 20,000 miles right behind me. Was $75,800. Haven't put it online yet, but I'm about to put it online for $69,741. Final blowout price. 2019 Regency Brougham 25 MB. Absolutely gorgeous B+ van. You got to come see this one. If you're looking for one of these that doesn't get any cleaner, $139,741. I mentioned our blowout on B vans. I've got the Terrain, I've got the Solstice, I've got the Swift. All three of them are here. Best prices in the country. 23 Jayco Seismic, $41,13, arguably the best floor plan. This is actually a patented floor plan for Jayco. The elevated kitchen is wide and the storage underneath outside. She also has 2 patios, one on the side, one in the back, so you have 2 options. This one, $104,741, best price in the country. Gorgeous, highly capable 2023 Jayco Seneca 32U XT. This is a beast. Jayco just came out with it. Right now, $198,741. Absolute best price in the country. That's a blowout price. Again, I'm Brian Dacey, General Sales Manager for Worldwide RV. What are you waiting for? Don't miss out on this summer. Come on down. 4660 East Main Street. That is between Greenfield and Higley. See you soon.